What's up, y'all? Say, I proved a new fact about ferrets. As you see, I got a ferret over there. Her name is Goonie. What's up, Bambino?
It's the Goonie.
What's that, Bambino? Alright. Now, this fact I figured out about them is they don't like squeaky noises. Now, I found this out because I got this, I don't know what the fuck it's called. It's like a workout machine. And it makes noise when you move it, and watch what happens. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Bambino. Come here, Bambino. Come here. It's okay. It was daddy.
It's the Goonie gone.
It was daddy. Say hi. I know you want to figure out what that squeaky is, huh? I promise you, it's okay. It's okay.